And today we are doing a mod showcase about the extra columns mode, and there's lots of new columns we are going to check. Yes, lots of. And let's start then. The worst is a bedrock column that you can only get if you are in the creative mode, and that guy has lots of health. Oh, try to kill this guy. This is impossible to kill. Let's take those armors, bow and sword. You can't kill him. No taking kill. No. Very hard. Next is wool golem. Can you make about out of the wool? Yes. And I think we are going to try to fight with them. Let's break this. Are you going to hit me? No? Okay, let's kill this guy. And she drops Stained Lion and Fool. Next is a TNT column, which is made out of TNT. She got 14 health. Okay, let's try to fight him. Fight back, dude! Are you scared? Yeah. Let's just kill him. Oh my god! Oh my god! Did she? Oh my god, I will be back if I were in there. Hey guys, I am back! And this was some massive explosion. Really? What? Come on! Okay, let's be calm. This is a leaf column. He got 6 health and regeneration. Yeah. And it made out of leaf block. Let's fight with him. Just in case I have some golden apples. Yeah. This is loot so close and accepting. What happened there? I have nobody explode. Yeah. Oh my god. I later show you him. This is a straw golem. It's got not 10 health and it made of hay. Let's fight this guy too. Let's see what this drops. Are those guys? Oh my god, this fighting back. Ah! I got full diamonds. Feet and seeds. Melon. Is this melon golem? 18. 18 else. And made out of lemon. Lemon. Let's think. Is she white? Yes, she did. Or any column ability to kill us? Redstone, melon, and melon seeds. And let's. Oh, it's lag. Library column. She had speed and 28 and okay. And 28 there's. Let's fight this guy. Just in case I eat golden apple. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Die. Yeah, we did. Kill him. She drops books, some redstone. What's that? Seeds. Yeah, seeds. And made of bookshelf. Let's spot the day. Oh. Next is the clay golem. Obviously made out of clay. So. Are you going to White House? Yes, it does. And yeah. Drop some clay and then lion. Let's checking out now. Towers should I? Let's check that. Now, yeah. Next is a coal column made out of block of coal, and check how much time we have. Okay. Let's kill this. Done. She have no any. Oh, she dropped some charcoal and coal, and I think that was some seeds. Yeah. Next is a obsidian golem made out of obsidian. Let's recall an apple because this is obsidian. And towards no. Oh, she's doing a all health damage. Let's kill this guy before he kills us. Oh, now she. Oh, okay. This was the worst way. Oh, I will play to do damage. For us, obsidian block. Yes, is dropping. And the next is the diamond column. No, let's check the quartz column. Oh my god. Oh. Nee. Next is quartz column. Oh, make it out of quartz. Obviously. Let's kill this guy. Next column we're doing damage for us. Oh. It's dropped some quartz. And this is the where the column is. You can teleport, so I'm showing you the column later. Next, food column made out of food. Well, let's check. Okay, time. And she got how many? 20. No, she's not doing us any damage. So, cause we are all full time gear. And oak food planks dropped, obviously. So, next is sandstone, made out of sandstone. Oh, she's doing damage. How? Sand, dropped sand. Next, red sandstone column made out of red sandstone. Let's kill this guy too. Let's shoot his head. Then attack. She dropped some red sand and some redstone. And next is lapis. And this column had how much? Lapis lazuli column 15. I hope we have time, yes. Let's kill this guy. Boom. Oh, she's doing falling damage. Let's shoot in the head and then kill this guy. Kill. Oh my god, what? She's gave us weakness and feather. Oh my god, we're going to die. She dropped some good stuff, gold ingot and some lapis lazuli. Oh, lagging. Yeah. Next, harder clay column. I don't know what is the difference, but maybe the health and made of hardened clay block. Let's shoot him in the face and then kill this guy. Ah, we're doing a fall damage. Oh my god, she can't kill us. Whew. Some redstone, hardened clay. This is a ice column, but I'm going to show you next time because I have some problems with my recording. So I hope you like that, but actually I'm going to do next part like that. So we'll see you, and guys, we will see you next time. Actually, right now. Bye.